Today I'm going to be reviewing Slemoon's heavy-duty poultry shears. I'd like to thank them for sending these to me to review. And I'm going to put a video up, and I was just using it to just cut up some salami, which this can do way more than that. But I wanted you to see cut through plastic, just kind of how sharp it was. I didn't have any poultry here. Really nice, very heavy, just feels substantial. I have shears upstairs in my kitchen, and in no way are they this heavy and this nice. Stainless steel, so they're not going to rust. Of course, always wash it and then dry immediately. On the bottom, you'll see here you get this little spring clip, and you'll just release that, and then that releases the shears. Here they are up close. You can see, I mean, these are solid. These will cut through anything. They just feel really good in your hands. I like the red color. They do come in a few other colors. Another great thing, these are dishwasher safe. There's a 30-day no hassle return policy and 12-month replacement warranty. Finally, these are an Amazon choice. It gets 4.5 stars. I normally like to see at least 4.4, so it beats that, and I like that. And it's got over 170 reviews, so you can't go wrong with these. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.